Hey guys, Dello304 here, and today we're going to be doing another upgrade to my wonderful custom built. Today we're going to be getting, well, we're not going to be getting, but we're going to be putting in the MSI nVidia GeForce 550 Ti, excuse me. Now, the one thing that's really cool about this is that they gave me the Cyclone cooler, Cyclone 2 heat pipe cooler. I was looking at the one, you guys, if you watched the last video, then you would know that this wasn't the card I was going to get, but they sent me the better one with the Cyclone cooler, so that's awesome. Apparently this is the overclock edition, which is awesome. It's got 1 gig of GDDR5 memory, DirectX 11. I'll go through the card when I open it up, but this is a open box. It was described as open box refurbished, not pre-owned, so it's pretty much new. Just oh wow, look at that, that's interesting. Oh, that's cool. Oh yeah, you would have been able to see the card right here, but yeah, but there's all that. It's got solid capacitors, MSI afterburner, a bunch of other crap, so yeah, that's gonna be cool. So here we are. We have an aided light assistant because my camera's light isn't all that great. So let's remove the side panel off my build here. Here you go. The inside, it's going to go right there. So that's going to be cool. Just the rest of my build. It's kind of dusty in here. Wow, that's weird. Anyway, sorry about the sudden stop talking. I'm just swallowing. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and open the box. Yes, it is the Cyclone Overclocked Edition. So I got a better card than I was expecting. This was only $99, so great deal for what I got. Yeah, this is also the... oh, well, I should put the camera back on the tripod, huh? But this is also the same card that Tyler has. Tyler 5310 has. He has the Cyclone cooler as well. So that's cool. So yes, here's the card right here. I'll go ahead and open it up. And in the box, we have, well, I'll get to the video card last, but we get a 2 Molex to PCIe 6-pin adapter. I'm not going to be using this. My power supply has like 3 6-pin ports, so yeah, we'll get back to the card. But then, sorry, I'm not even pointing the camera at the video, sorry. Okay, so in this box here, you just get your standard stuff. We got our quick user's guide. We have our MSI afterburner CD there. We have a DVI, a dual link DVI to VGA adapter, which I will be using. And then we have a mini HDMI to HDMI adapter, so that's very awesome. So then we have the little quick start guide thing going on there. So that's very sweet. So let's go ahead and open up the card, shall we? It's in our anti-static packaging. Now, I'm so glad about this because 1, of course, you get better cooling with the Cyclone cooler. And then 2, it's all black. Oh, sorry. It's all black. It's not blue. So, yeah, oops, sorry. We get better cooling. We have our propeller fan there. We have our heatsink down there. We have our 2 heat sinks on the side. Got the heat pipes there. Very sweet. We have our 6-pin connector right there. We have our 4-pin fan. PCI Express. Let's go ahead and take the cover off. I keep all of this stuff. Yeah, got our PCI Express X16. So yeah, we have 2 DVI port covers, so I'm just going to be using one of them. So I'm going to leave the other port cover on there. And then we have our mini HDMI, which, like I said, you can plug this adapter into if you need HDMI. This is a PCI Express 2.0 card, but that's okay because my CPU only supports up to 2.0. So, yeah. So there you go. Yeah, we're going to be installing this beast of a card, and yeah, we're going to have dual monitors and stuff. So let me go ahead and open up this adapter because I'm going to be using it for my secondary monitor since it only has VGA. Alrighty. So there we go. We're going to be installing that after we put the card into the system. I'm going to go ahead and just stuff everything back where it was originally, and we're going to get on with this upgrade. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to be able to do this with the camera and everything else in the way, but I'll figure it out. So there's the box. Bam, it can go over there with everything else. Yeah, this is going to be sweet. Okay, so I'll go ahead and point it. So excuse the messy carpet. My house is old. It was built in the 70s, so yeah. Sorry about my high tripod. The tripod is very high. Not like, you know, smoked out or anything, but high. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just zoom in a little bit there. We have our PCI Express right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove two of the slide-in cover, you know, protector things. Damn, that one's in there pretty good. Might have to go grab a screwdriver. God dang it, boy, wasting video time. I shall be back. Just have to travel to the opposite end of the room to find a screwdriver. I actually have a better screwdriver somewhere else, but I don't feel like going under the desk to go ahead and get it, so I'm just going to use this little guy. So it's in there good. I'm going to go ahead and just loosen both of those, because it is a dual slot card, obviously. Very sexy graphics card. So we have one of these. I'm just going to save these. I'll put these in my motherboard box along with my other case accessories and shiz. Unscrewing the other one. There we go. Fell on the board. Oh, and by the way, I did get a, whatchamacallit, I got a new board for the bottom of this thing. I just basically took my shelf that I took off my desk about a year ago, and I put it on the, or I cut it, and I put it on the bottom of my computer for airflow. You know, it's got a black PCB, or a brown PCB actually, but so it's going to be facing like that. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, there you go. There's just a better view of that sexy card. So I'm going to go ahead and shove her in there, and yeah. Taking the card ever so carefully. Oh crap, I removed the wrong port cover. Okay, I removed the bottom two, or like two down instead of the top one. Sorry about this, guys. I'll get it right eventually. Nope. Okay. I apologize, I'm moving the camera, I realize that. Sorry for the crappy video, guys. Just don't want to edit. Just do not want to edit for no reason at all. Okay. Sorry about this, guys. Has to go in the top slots, though. Oh, come on. Can't you see we're wasting valuable video time? Jesus. So that's all the way in the corner. You can barely unscrew that thing. Ah, Jesus. It took 30 years. Okay, so let's try this again. Take our beautiful MSI video card. We're gonna shove it in that port. Oh, it's a tight fit. It's a tight fit. That's what she said. And we should be in there now. Oh, there we go. Just snapped in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take the screws and shove them back where they need to be shoved. Oh, come on. Come on. To hold it and do this at the same time. I'll be glad when this upgrade's over. Yeah, I'm going to use the screwdriver. Alright. No, don't strip it. God damn it. No, don't strip the screw. What the hell? I'm having trouble. Sorry, guys. God damn screws. I hate screws. I hate them so much. I hate screws. I hate wires and anything to do with it. God damn it. Come on. I'm just gonna screw it in there, and if it's screwed up, whatever. Okay, there, it's finally going in straight. Jesus. Jesus. This is a crappy screwdriver to be using. I need a better screwdriver. Okay, getting a better screwdriver and getting pissed off now, so. This is the shitty part of doing this kind of crap. Okay. Gotta have the right tool for the right job. going to be a long video. Apologize, I'm very sorry, people. Looks good in there, though. Alright. That is the screwdriver we need. This is gonna work much better. There we go. Much better. Is that in there all the way? No. Okay, hopefully I didn't strip that screw, because that would be crappy. I'd have to re-tap the holes in the case, and I do not want to do that. That one went in so easily. What the hell? Okay, anyway, put my screwdriver away now. Don't think wrong, people. Well, now that I just said it, you probably are going to, but anyway, yeah. Go ahead and get all this crap out of the way. We're going to boot this thing up. Well, maybe not. Maybe not in this video, but let me go ahead. Oh, I am going to be using 2 DVI. Never mind. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. Here we have one adapter doohickey going on there. I'm going to have to get a flathead screwdriver for that. I need a billion freaking screwdrivers for every job known to man. Okay, this isn't working very well. Anyway, I'm just going to end the video now because it's already way too long, but I think I'll make an update. But yeah, so there is the video card right there. So awesome. Look at that. That's very cool. We now have dedicated video. I'm going to go ahead and get this whole thing set up and I'll be back. So yeah, I'll make an update video. I'm not going to edit this video. I'm sorry guys, I'm very lazy and I do not have the effort to do that. So yeah, I'll make an update video, the next video after this one, and I'll show it running and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Alright, I'll put both videos together. It'll give me a chance to use the new card for something, you know, semi-intensive, which is video editing. It's working. There we go. We now have dual monitors. Hell to the yes. The only thing I don't like is that the wallpaper doesn't really fit on that screen, but whatever. So, yeah, we have the card in there. There it is, big boy. Sweet. And it's working, too. Where everything's working. So we're hooked up via DVI on the left for the Asus monitor, and then an adapter for the second one. So yeah, let me go ahead and screw that VGA adapter, or the cable, into the adapter there. Yeah, you can see the card in there. Yeah, I did, you know, the last segment was that. First time I did this, I was in a rush, so I forgot to plug in the 6-pin, which is stupid, but it's plugged in now. So there it is. And it just runs over there. I know I could have done a little better with cable management, but I'm in a hurry, and you know it looks fine anyway. You know what? Screw it. I'll take the side panel off. I'll put it on after I'm done. I'm running Windows Experience Index, so we'll see how much my score rises up. I have all 7s in CPU, RAM, and hard drive, so the only thing that needs to go up now is the graphics, and it's going to. So I should be in all 6s and 7s now. So. That'll be sweet. I'm taking the side panel off. I'll put it back on after I'm done recording. Yeah, there it is. Video card's in there just like that. PCI Express 2.0. I lost one of the freaking screws up there. I don't know where it went. I looked everywhere. I cannot seem to find it. But you know, whatever. One screw to hold it in there. It's stable, very stable. And yeah. So you can see the fan running down there. Cyclone 2 cooler, very sweet. See if I can push this wire back a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so that should be good enough for now. So yeah, that's gonna be sweet for gaming and all the other crap. Oh God, 7.1. Woo! Both of my all scores are 7s now. Oh shit, hell to the yes. My previous score was 5.1 for graphics, now it's 7.4, and my base score is now 7.1. Hell yeah. So, yeah, and I'm running dual monitors, so I can go ahead and demonstrate by doing this. Whee! That's cool. So I can have Facebook over here, and I can have Skype over there, or YouTube over here, or, you know, whatever I need to do. But yeah, now in all 7s in WEI, so that's cool. I know WEI doesn't mean anything, but it's cool to do. So yeah. All 7s. Hell to the yes. I realize that's very shaky. I'll zoom out now. Anyway, yeah, that's the whole video. I'm going to go ahead and edit and render it and all that crap, and I'll get it uploaded eventually. So, yeah, thanks for watching this video of the upgrade of the MSI nVidia GeForce GTX 550 Ti graphics card. My computer is now pretty much upgraded. I'm not going to upgrade it for a while now. It's good enough for me. And, yeah, we now have dedicated video, which is awesome. So, yeah, see you guys later.